on, buddy. Oh shit. All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to waiting your time be right now. All right, on today's Nigerian celebrity news, this one the choke person, this one the boss person here like say tomorrow no day. It is shocalize our body say Adebayo Adeleke, aka B Red, don't knock one kind of get truth for ground. In say in and whiskey but they sleep the same bed. That one a lie. If it be true, we'll go straight to the gist now. Popular Nigerian singer, what they call Adebayo Adeleke, aka B Red. He don't come at con knock one kind matter for grant. He don't come at con open up say him and Grammy award-winning superstar will be Wizkid and him very self be they sleep for the same bed for Mohit Mansion. Oh shit! And the platform waiting to shocalize us with this kind of obligatory. Now the recent episode of the Echu Room audio-visual podcast hosted by Quincy Jones. B Red will be one of the sons of the present governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Adeleke. Talk say in live for Mohit house for about 2 years. Him say he and his brother will be Shina Rambo, then be PA to Mohit when them dey America. Him say anytime when they land for America, na himself and Shina, na them first they call. He say that time, they go call him say, we are landing so and so time, pick us up so and so time. He say he live for Mohit house for 2 years and 2 months in Maryland.
Me and my brother Shino were Mohit's PAs in America. They go there New York, but if they land, me and Shino they will call. But landing by this time, pick us up. If I start telling you guys, I lived in Mohit's house for 2 years and 2 months in Maryland.
That's the band and on jazz.
Before even whiskey blow, me and whiskey they sleep for the special bed, same bed. And they sleep for Paolo. And they drum for Dr. Sheila, they hype for the Prince. And they be the boys that time now.
Him say and all this matter when they talk about so they happen before whiskey blow. In Consti talk say me they forget say Papa na millionaire. He say what they enjoy today, he struggle so hard to achieve them. Alright, now the short talk will get to read with the grand. Now we don't knock on us so. Okay, quickly before we go, I bet bros advise me now. 2 days ago now I toast this girl. Yesterday I couldn't come finish. Today so like this I phone don't spoil. And tomorrow yeah, na birthday party. How far now bros? What I go do now? Advise me now. Come on about oh shit. How far bros? Press the red subscribe button now. I beg now. Come on about you. Oh shit.